Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Review. My name is Dave and we are back with another tech unboxing. Today we have with us boAt Airdopes. Dope name by the way. Airdopes 441 Pro. So there are multiple models of Airdopes out there. One is the Airdopes normal, Airdopes 441. There is another one released which is Airdopes 460 I guess, and this one is the Airdopes 441 Pro. Out of all the three, I have chosen this because of quite a few reasons. I will go into that all those details in the review video there. This is just the unboxing, so subscribe for that and stay tuned for that if you have already subscribed. Let me show you what this is and what is around the box, and then we'll proceed with the unboxing. So this has Swift Bluetooth connectivity 5.0, power bank function. So this is one reason I bought this. This has 2600 mAh battery, and you can use this as a power bank in case of emergencies, in case your mobile phone is out of charge. So that is one good thing. IPX7 water and sweat resistant, so you can use it for your for gym, for your workout activities, for cycling, anything. You can take it out in the rain also. And yeah, let's see. Charger, what this is: charger brick adapter, wire cable, blah blah, 5V 2A standard cable, diameter strand. So yeah, one Airdopes, this 2N extra earmuffs, cable, type C cable, that is one good thing, manual, warranty card, one catalog. And on the bottom, one touch voice assistant. Oh, this also has voice assistant support, so you can use Google Assistant here. Advanced capacitive touch control, so you can just tapping it, you can pause or play or receive your calls, things like that. 2600 mAh carry case, up to 5 hours. Okay, so on single charge you can go up to 5 hours, 5 hours playback time. Additionally, if you do not charge this case itself carries additional 150 hours. So that is quite a lot. This is quite a huge. This is one of the reasons which I decided to go for this, because this, if you are out, you can out traveling or something, you can really use this without charging for a long time. So let's go ahead and so let's rip into this. This is weird. What is this? Oh, okay, I'm trying to open it in the wrong way. This does not open sideways but downwards. Okay. Nice, looks really nice. Let me take this out. Quite small. Let's see what else is there in the box. Nice. Yeah, all boAt products. If you have seen my other unboxings of boAt, same thing, exact same things, exact same card, exact same documentations, warranty card, celebrity mugs, everything is the same. Let me put this aside. Setup manual, come out. Yeah, this is the setup manual. This has all the information. I would say read this before you use any of your electronics. This really contains very useful information. I'll show you the other end. Quite nice. A lot of paperwork. I really hope they stop giving this one. This is just a wastage of paper, nothing else. And the mandatory boAt head sticker, so we get that everywhere no matter what it is. And we get this red box. This must carry the charging cable. Yeah, USB-C, so you can use that to charge your case, and also if you're using this as a power case, to charge your mobile phone also. Okay, quite nifty. A bit heavy also. Matte black, I really like that. Matte black is always nice. So this is the button here. This is a flap. Let's see what's inside that. So you charge while this way, charge the case, and when you're using it as a power brick, you just do it the other way around. This is really nice to have. This is really nice to have. And there is a button here, I guess, yeah, to show the power level. So let's open this up. Oh, nice. This has RGB, and if you have seen my previous videos, you know how much I like RGB. This is flashing. I don't know why. Maybe this is because it is out of the box, or this is charging, something like that. So we'll go into that later. I will do the full review of that, and let me just show you how this looks. This has added a blade like structure here for your better grip if you are doing some workout, so that will be useful there. Yeah, the build quality is quite nice. This has a plastic on top, quite heavy. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.